Hello everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to make the paper airplane with the A4 size paper. Hope you like it and enjoy. Step 1, fold your paper like this in half. Make sure it's nice and tight. That's the first step. Second, open it up. And then there should be a line down through the paper. Fold the two sides onto the line. Make sure this bit is a bit spiky, and then bring it back down. Should look like this. Okay, step 2.
Step 3.
Sorry, step 3. Turn your paper around and then fold the sides onto the middle again. Same for the other side. Okay, now step 5. Do this. Fold the paper inside out. And then do it. Make it nice and tight. Here should be, try to make it as tight as, as pointy as possible. Now try to do a bit like this. Still work. Okay. Step 6. Fold this to the next flap. Fold this flap here. Same for the other side. And there you have it. Paper airplane. Thanks for watching. Hope you rate, subscribe, share, and we'll have our 4th video of this origami series very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.